Alright, this is the road. It's not too sunny, it's a little overcast. It's about 4 o'clock in the afternoon. And Tennessee's right here. Tennessee, Iliola. Alright. This is how you do it. Dominican style. Wait, hold on. Ow! Let's get serious. Some serious shit right here. Whoa, we almost wrecked. Good God Almighty. We're back. Alright. Puppies, everybody, huh? No. Alright. This is the film that the mom shouldn't see. Alright. Yeah, we're good. Don't downshift and lose stand. That's it. Yeah. What do you do when you're... Oh, shit. Alright.